After receiving, the crow meat is weighed. The scale reads exactly 25 kilograms, which is then logged before proceeding.
How crow meat is processed in Asian food industries.
The process begins with the mechanical defeathering drum. The rubber fingers rotate rapidly, stripping the feathers from the carcasses.
The handheld gas torch quickly removes the remaining feather pins, leaving the skin intact before the secondary rinse.
How crow meat is processed in Asian food industries.
How crow meat is processed in Asian food industries.
How crow meat is processed in Asian food industries. Manufacturing or controlled mechanical cuts separate wings from body. Material state, partially sectioned.
As part of the processing, the meat portions are weighed on a digital scale before moving to quality sorting.
Approved portions enter the tunnel washer for the final hygienic rinse, where a fine spray of sanitized water.
How crow meat is processed in Asian food industries.
The marinated meat is released from the mixing drum onto the conveyor belt for the next stage of processing.
Manufacturing. Automatic tray loader places measured portions into food-grade plastic trays.
How crow meat is processed in Asian food industries.
How crow meat is processed in Asian food industries. Manufacturing. Wine shot inside -18°C cold storage.
After temperature verification, each carton is securely sealed with tamper-evident tape before moving on to the pallet wrap stage.
Once the cartons are resealed, they are moved to the automated stretch wrap machine for tight casing before labeling.
Maintaining the cold chain is essential. Here, frozen crow meat arrives from the supplier, ready for processing. The pallets are secured using locking bars, ensuring the frozen crow meat remains stable before the temperature is verified for transport.